Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to rotate screen on your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. So in order to enter the screen orientation options, press Start button, then go into the settings, then select the system options, go into the display, and scroll down until you see the display orientation option. And here you can choose between landscape, portrait, landscape and portrait flipped. Let's select this option, landscape flipped, which just turns our screen upside down. Now we have 15 seconds to revert this effect, and if we don't revert, it will stay like that, but we will also be able to change it right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.